Good morning from the beautiful Budva in Montenegro, guys. We decided to come down to Montenegro today on a day trip from
Although we said we'd never
Dubrovnik.
do day trips.
Although we don't like day trips because they're generally just too exhausting, and something always is not right. But anyway,
We spent the last 4 hours in a car.
we actually did spend 4 hours literally, and we were told it's going to be an hour, and after that we'll be in a town, we can relax, then another half an hour drive, but that's definitely not the case. But anyway, we're glad we're finally here. As you can see right behind me, it's a beautiful old town.
We're leaving behind
Actually,
the new
you
town.
probably can't see the town behind me because the town is in front of me. I'll turn the camera around in a second, but this is basically the port, and the old town is right in front of me. And Montenegro is it's still a beautiful country. I think they'll become part of European Union in the next few years. They're working towards it, and they gained their independence not too long ago, so they're doing well for what they represent. Their food's yummy, what I've heard. The landscape's surreal, so we'll show you around and see what we can find. So that's the old town right there. I'll try and get some footage. I'll fly my drone over, see what we can capture.
Hopefully it works.
Yesterday I was having issues at Dubrovnik. The drone was kind of playing up, so hopefully that's not the case today.
Welcome back, guys. We're just sitting down in the old town to enjoy some lunch. I've got the salmon fillets. It looks good. We've got some prawns and squid here for Gary, and of course his Aperol Spritz. And this garlic oil actually looks absolutely delicious.
So
Can't wait to dig in.
guys, we have just arrived at the beautiful city of Kotor. This is another ancient city, hundreds of years old. It's a beautiful city. We'll walk around and explore. Already done some shopping. This is our second destination in Montenegro, and then we are heading back to Dubrovnik, and tomorrow we are going to Istanbul. I'll show you the city around. It is quite
the bazaar.
beautiful. Check this out. Unbelievable. It's like an ancient type of market. You can only imagine these are like, I don't know, 700, 800, 900 years old. Okay guys, so we're just walking around and exploring the streets of Kotor, I think it's called. Interesting story. The reason why I was just showing you the cat before, so this city has got basically an ancient history and a story where there was a massive earthquake, and apparently the cats realized and they came outside and they started making these interesting noises, and all the people came out, and that kind of saved their lives because the earthquake was so intense that it actually shattered the city fairly comprehensively, and they had to build their city almost from the scratch. True story guys, true story.